Hi, everybody. I'm Carolyn Caldwell from Caldwell Evolution. I'm a certified professional organizer and productivity coach. And we're here today to provide some resources for people who are working from home offices. These are particularly designed for people who might not be in the habit of working from a home office. You may be transitioned to a home office by changes in your company, changes in the environment, or you may have left corporate America, corporate Canada, corporate the world, and have transitioned into entrepreneur world and are now working from a home office. So welcome in whatever circumstances you are. Today, I would like to welcome Vicki Taylor from Veronica Taylor Coaching. Welcome, Vicki.
Thank you. Thank you, Carolyn. Great to be here.
Vicki is a meditation facilitator, and she is also a life coach. And she's going to walk us through two things today. First of all, she's going to do a breathing exercise, and then we're going to go into a very short guided meditation that will provide you with some grounding to get you started for your day, or to help you release from the activity of the day. So Vicki, why don't you go ahead, and I'm just going to switch up the view so we can see you here.
Great. Thank you. Well, first off, it's important that you have a place that you can call your own, to go off to, whether it be your office, get away from the kids, and just be exclusive there. You want the cell phone off and all those sorts of things, the regular. So what I like to do, and with my meditation group, one of the best meditations just to get us going and breathing properly is what I call it's known as the 4-square breathing, or box breathing. And I'll show you how this works. And we can start by, first of all, sitting in your chair in an upright position. Your buttocks firmly planted in the chair, feel it. Your feet firmly planted on the ground. Now, you may wish to close your eyes for this, but I will take you through it, how it works. We breathe in for 4, we pause for 4, we exhale for 4, and then we pause once again. And we do that cycle a few times, and then we check in on ourselves. The idea is we're getting a deeper breath. We're bringing oxygen to the whole body, to the brain, to all the organs. And you'll want that when you get back to your work. So let's start. You can close your eyes, or you can have your eyes perhaps gazing downward. And what we do is, first of all, let's just take a few just normal breaths here. Let's just breathe in and breathe out. Just notice your body sitting in the chair here. Now, as we come to the next exhale, I'm going to start to count. So breathing out on this last breath you've had, and breathing in on a count of 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, release, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4. A big breath in, 2, 3, 4. Pause, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Pause, 2, 3, 4. One last time. 2, 3, 4. In, pause, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. And come back to the present. So you come back to your natural breath now. And you can just check in. How do you feel? I mean, how does the body feel? Was that challenging, or was it easy? Either way, it doesn't matter. What's important is for you to notice how your body is reacting. And I like that breath because it teaches us to kind of clear the lungs, and you get in that deeper breathing. So I really think that's a go-to for me, and that can be anywhere. You could be on the subway But in this case, you're at home, so enjoy it.
Excellent. Vicki, thank you very much. So why don't we, now that we've had those beautiful fresh breaths, why don't you transition us right into the meditation? And just for the benefit of the viewers, this is about a 5-minute grounding meditation. All right, here we go.
That's correct. So again, take a position. You feel your body, your buttocks in the chair, your shoulders relaxed, your hands perhaps on your lap or on your thighs. What's really important is we want our feet firmly planted on the ground. And again, you can choose to look down, gaze, or you can close your eyes. So let's begin with a few breaths, breathing in and out your natural breath, your normal breath. What would be your default breath? So once you're breathing in naturally, I want you to picture a mountain in your mind's eye, the most magnificent mountain you can imagine. See it in all its glory. The mountain, you may imagine, may have lofty peaks. It may have a stream running down the sides of the mountain. There may be several peaks. There may be snow on the tops of some of the mountains. But just imagine this mountain, and just for a second, feel it. Feel the groundedness. Because now I want you to take that mountain, this special mountain of yours, and that image, and I want you to bring it into your own body so that the mountain in you become one. Continue to breathe in and breathe out. Now, as you know, in nature, things never stay the same. We have the seasons: summer, fall, winter, and spring. And so too does the mountain experience all of these. In the fall, we notice the trees, the leaves fall, and before we know it, the mountains are covered in snow come December. And during that time, the mountain may experience terrible storms, snowstorms. But with it all, it just sits, not affected. And with the spring, new life, the waterfalls come down, cascading the sides of the mountain. New life. The sun shines. And we experience yet another part of this seasonal experience. And through it all, the mountain remains still. So what we learn from the mountain is that we can take into our own life, especially in these challenging times. So whether the mountain is viewed as something, it is an outside disturbance, so too do we have outside disturbances. But anytime you can remember to bring the mountain and its majesty and its solidness into light, you will feel more grounded, because through it all, the mountain abides. You breathe and you thank the mountain for its wisdom. So taking a few deep breaths in, 3 more, and out. And then come back to the now. Thank you. You're
That
welcome.
was excellent.
Yeah, good, good.
Lovely mountain going through its seasons.
Yes.
Now, if people are interested in contacting you about mindfulness facilitation or about life coaching, how would they find you?
Well, I have a website, taylorcoaching.com. And yeah, and I also have actually a longer version, a more in-depth version of this meditation, which is given to us from Jon Kabat-Zinn, who is one of the pioneers in mindfulness. So if you were to put the mountain meditation, you'll find me under Veronica Taylor, Taylor Coaching. So either way. So thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I gratefully appreciate it, and I certainly hope that this is helpful to our viewers. Thank you very much for joining us today. I'm very grateful for the time and for you sharing your ability and experience with us. Thank you very much for joining us, everybody. And if you like this content, I hope that you'll hang around because we'll be providing lots more. Take care, everybody.